Welcome to my channel, How to Install a Netgear Wireless N router with the Installation Assistant. Step 1. Unbox and check what's inside. Before plugging it in, check the box to ensure you have the router, power adapter, Ethernet cable, and quick start guide. Also, make sure the antennas are straight and secure for better range. Step 2. Power it up. Find a power outlet near your modem. Plug the adapter into the router and wait for the lights to come on. You'll see them start blinking. That's good. Means it's alive. Step 3. Connect it to your modem. Now grab the Ethernet cable. Plug one end into your modem and the other into the yellow Internet or WAN port on the router. Make sure it clicks in. If you mix it up with the LAN ports, nothing's going to work later, so yeah, double check that. Step 4. Hook up your computer. For the first time setup, go old school wired. Grab another Ethernet cable if you have one and connect your computer to one of the LAN ports on the router. It just makes things cleaner. Wi-Fi setup can be flaky before it's configured. Step 5. Open the Smart Wizard. Open your browser and go to www.routerlogin.net or 192.168.1.1. If the Netgear setup page doesn't load, unplug everything, wait 10 seconds, and plug it back in. Step 6. Log in. You'll see a login screen, default username, admin, password, password. If it doesn't work, press the reset button on the back for 10 seconds to restore factory settings. Step 7. Let Smart Wizard do its thing. Once logged in, the Smart Wizard auto-detects your connection. Follow the steps and reboot if asked. If it says can't detect internet, unplug the modem, wait a few seconds, plug it back in, and try again. Step 8. Change your Wi-Fi settings. Go to wireless settings and change the SSID, Wi-Fi name, to something like HomeNet or My Wi-Fi. Set a strong password. Avoid 12345678. Use letters, numbers, and symbols. Step 9. Save and reboot. Hit apply and let the router restart. When your new Wi-Fi name appears, disconnect the Ethernet cable. Connect the Wi-Fi with your new password, and you're good to go. Step 10. Quick security check. Go to Maintenance, right pointing arrow, Set Password, and change the default admin password. Then open Router Update. Check for firmware updates and install them for better performance. Thanks for watching.